Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Chick Bob from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a large circular curve, but we're going to leave the top open. Next, let's hop on top in the middle and let's draw a curve across like this. Then let's draw spikes down on both sides, keeping with the circular pattern. And the same on the right. And when you're done, you should end up like this. Next, let's move inside and draw the eyes. Let's start inside on the left and let's draw an angled curve. And then add another curve underneath. Now towards the inside, let's draw a circular curve for the pupil. And then color it in black. Now for the right side, let's add the eye patch. Let's start at the top of the head in the center and let's draw a curve down into the right. And then let's thicken up the line slightly. And then underneath, let's add a curve. And color this in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the beak. Let's start with a curve across in the center. Then let's draw two curves down, coming to a point. And then one more curve down halfway on the right. Next, let's add the pattern on the belly. From the bottom left, let's draw a curve up, and the same on the right. And then connect them with a curve across. Next, inside, let's draw a line down the center. And then a curve across in the middle. And lastly, inside the body, let's add some curved bumps. And that's it for the body. Next, let's move over and draw the arms. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a bumpy line down and out. And the same on the right. And now underneath, let's add another curve. And now let's close off the end with a curve on both sides. And then add one more curve down the center. Now for the next section, let's draw a curve from the top and the bottom. Now let's add the claws at the end. Let's start from the bottom line and let's draw a curve up and extend it out past the top line. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve out. And for the top, let's draw a bumpy line like this. Now let's hop back down to the bottom line and let's draw a curve down. And then another C-shaped curve. And the same on the right. Now to close it off, let's start from the top line and curve it all the way around and up. Now let's draw the other section of the claw underneath. Let's start with a curve down and out, then a wavy line over, and then curve it back up at the end. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the body towards the center and let's draw a wavy line down on both sides. Now let's hop to the outside and let's draw another wavy line down, but let's curve it in halfway. And the same on the right. And do the same thing underneath to close it off. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw curves down on both sides. Then let's curve it in. And then a V-shaped point in the middle to connect it. Now let's move inside, and at the end of each point, let's draw a curved line. And for the last section, let's move underneath and let's draw 2 angles down, underneath both feet, and then a curve across the bottom. And that's it for Chick Bob. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!